How to change Discord font size? Want to make your chats easier to read or fit more messages on your screen? I will show you how to change the font size on Discord. Quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open Discord on desktop or mobile, then click the gear icon near your username at the bottom left. In the user settings menu, scroll down and tap Appearance. Once you are inside the Appearance tab, scroll down until you find the chat font scaling. Under chat font scaling, drag the slider left or right to make the font smaller or bigger. Watch the preview to see how your text will look. Exit settings when you are happy with your font size. Easy and comfy reading. Bonus tip: adjust the font size anytime to match your reading comfort, whether you want big, bold text or more text on the screen. And that's how you change the Discord font size. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.